Seeing that the bourse is up marginally 0.04%, take us through which stocks are pulling the bourse up today.
Hi Fenly, thanks for having me. Like you said, the board actually closed marginally higher today, saying it closing at 25,015 points. Total number of losers were 37, while you had about 57 gainers on the bourse today. I think the drop in the indices compared to the gains that were made yesterday is actually the result of profit takers coming into the market. But on the strength of that, you also see some investors actually coming into the market. So it's reducing the gains that the bourse would normally have seen. But on the back of it, you actually see more people coming into the market. So sentiments as regards the bourse on the general theme is actually on a positive note, Fenly.
Well, let's hone in on the currency right now. And what is the trend on the currency front after the auction?
The currency, actually, we're saying it on a stable level. I actually think the currency would actually, Naira might actually lose the few gains that it's made in the coming few days. It's interesting to know that from the CBN auction, we've actually seen reduced demand against the total supply or offer of 400 million for this week. We actually had demand less than 300 million. So on the back of that, you would have actually thought the Naira should have made much more gains than the levels we're currently seeing. But I think the central bank, outside the beat of actually stating that they have enough reserve or enough liquidity to meet market demand, they are also interested in price stability. So we've seen them actually maintaining the CBN rate at a very tight range within the past few weeks auction, Fenly.
And is there a strong demand for the greenback?
Sorry.
Nwabueze, can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, please.
Okay,
yes,
what
please.
I asked you was, is there a strong demand for the dollar?
Currently, the demand for the dollar is actually not so strong. On the back of the liquidity that has come in, not only from the CBN windows, but also from oil majors. I think rumors around that the state's national oil corporation actually inflowed some dollars into the market at the start of those weeks. So we expect that actually has reduced the pressure from the CBN window. So demand might not be as strong as normally would have expected via the CBN window, but we expect that it will pick up before the week run out into the next auction, Fenly.
All right, and just before we go, what is your outlook for the currency this week?
On the currency side, I actually think the Naira is going to lose the previous gain it has made. Maybe the Naira will close this week at a 149.60, 70 levels based on the fact that the auction window has closed for this week. Short term, I actually see the Naira losing some gain, but on the long term, I actually seeing some appreciation on the Naira side. So short term, some Naira loss depreciation.
So long term is basically looking more positive.